Fueling your fitness journey starts with the right tools, and a dependable blender makes all the difference. The best blender for protein shakes ensures smooth, lump-free blends that maximize flavor, nutrition, and convenience, helping you achieve your health and performance goals effortlessly. At number 1, the Ninja Mega Protein Shake Blender is an excellent choice for anyone who wants professional results at home. Equipped with a powerful 1500-watt motor that delivers 2 horsepower, this blender can crush ice, blend frozen fruits, and power through even the toughest ingredients with ease. Its total crushing technology makes it stand out, featuring a large 72-ounce pitcher with blades designed to crush ice into snow within seconds. Whether you are preparing a single shake or making large batches for family and friends, this blender is built to perform consistently. For those who prefer portability, the Ninja Mega includes 2 16-ounce Nutri-Ninja cups with convenient to-go lids, perfect for personalized shakes that you can take on the move. The blender also doubles as a food processor with its 8-cup precision processor bowl capable of chopping, pureeing, and even mixing up to 2 pounds of dough in just 30 seconds. With 4 versatile functions, including blend, mix, crush, and single serve, you can easily customize your blending experience to suit any recipe or protein shake preparation. Designed with user convenience in mind, all the parts are BPA-free and dishwasher-safe, making cleaning quick and simple. The blade system includes 4 unique blade types optimized for different tasks, ensuring that every ingredient is blended to perfection. With its combination of power, versatility, and ease of use, the Ninja Mega Protein Shake Blender is an outstanding companion for fitness enthusiasts, busy professionals, and anyone looking to make delicious shakes and smoothies at home. Taking the second spot is the Ninja BL660 Protein Shake Blender, a compact yet highly powerful machine designed for smooth and efficient blending. With its 1100-watt motor, this blender can crush ice into snow within seconds and easily handle tough ingredients like frozen fruits and dense protein powders. It ensures that every shake or smoothie is blended into a silky and consistent texture, making it a reliable option for those who want high-quality results every time. The Ninja BL660 offers versatile functionality with 3 manual speeds, pulse control, and a dedicated single-serve function, giving you full control over the blending process. Its XL 72-ounce total crushing pitcher is perfect for preparing large batches of smoothies and protein shakes for the entire family, whether for breakfast, post-workout recovery, or entertaining guests. For smaller, more personalized blends, it includes 2 16-ounce to-go cups with spout lids, allowing you to blend directly in the cup and take your shake on the move without any hassle. This blender also adds convenience to meal preparation with its built-in food processing capabilities, letting you chop, mince, and blend ingredients for sauces, and dressings. All removable parts are BPA-free and dishwasher-safe, making cleaning simple and stress-free. To inspire creativity, the set includes a recipe guide with 28 ideas for smoothies, frozen drinks, sauces, and more, ensuring that you always have new blends to try. The complete package comes with everything you need, including the 72-ounce pitcher with stacked blade assembly, 2 to-go cups, pro extractor blades, and a recipe book. Next on our list is the Ninja SS101 Protein Shake Blender, a compact and powerful option designed for smooth and effortless blending. With its 1100-watt motor, this blender can crush ice into snow in seconds and easily blend tough ingredients, including frozen fruits and protein powders. Whether you are making post-workout shakes, smoothies, or frozen drinks, the Ninja SS101 ensures a consistent and creamy texture every time. The blender offers versatile functions with 3 manual speeds, pulse control, and a dedicated single-serve mode for personalized blends. Its XL 72-ounce total crushing pitcher allows you to prepare large batches, making it perfect for family meals, meal prep, or entertaining guests. For those who prefer a single portion, it includes 2 16-ounce to-go cups with spout lids, allowing you to blend directly in the cup and carry your shake anywhere without extra cleanup or spills. In addition to blending, the Ninja SS101 doubles as a food processor. You can easily chop, mince, and blend ingredients for sauces, dressings, and sauces, making it a versatile kitchen companion. All removable parts are BPA-free and top-rack dishwasher-safe, ensuring that cleaning is simple and safe. To inspire creativity, the blender comes with a 28 recipe guide featuring smoothies, frozen drinks, sauces, and other easy-to-make recipes. The complete set comes with the 1000-watt motor base, 72-ounce pitcher with lid, stacked blade assembly, 2 to-go cups, pro extractor blades, and a recipe book. At number 4, the Nutribullet Protein Shake Blender is a versatile and powerful choice for anyone looking to take their nutrition to the next level. Designed to handle both multi-serving batches and single-serve portions, this blender offers remarkable flexibility for busy lifestyles and health-conscious individuals. With a 1200-watt motor, it provides enough power to blend frozen fruits, ice, protein powders, and even tougher ingredients, delivering smooth and creamy shakes every time. The blender features 3 precision speeds, a pulse function, and an extract program, giving you full control over the blending process. Whether you are preparing smoothies, soups, sauces, or even nut butters, the Nutribullet ensures consistent results with minimal effort. Its cyclonic Easy Twist extractor blade is made of durable stainless steel, designed to pull ingredients into the blades efficiently for maximum extraction and smoothness. This blender set comes complete with a 64-ounce multi-serving pitcher with vented lid cap, a 32-ounce cup, a 24-ounce handled cup, 2 to-go lids, a tamper, and a recipe book to inspire your creations. The super durable BPA-free pitcher and cups are built to last, while cleanup is simple thanks to dishwasher-safe components. The Easy Twist extractor blade can be rinsed with soap and water, making maintenance hassle-free. At number 5, the Ninja BL642 Protein Shake Blender is a professional-grade option designed for powerful and effortless blending. Equipped with a 1200-watt motor, this blender can pulverize ice to snow and easily blend frozen fruits, protein powders, vegetables, and other tough ingredients. It ensures creamy and smooth shakes, frozen drinks, and sauces every time, making it a reliable choice for anyone looking to maintain a healthy and active lifestyle. The BL642 features total crushing technology with rust-proof pro extractor blades that break down whole fruits, vegetables, ice, and seeds for maximum nutrient and vitamin extraction. This ensures that you get the most out of every ingredient, minimizing nutrient waste while producing nutrient-rich, delicious protein shakes. For added convenience, it comes with Auto IQ technology, which uses intelligent programs that combine timed pulsing, blending, and pausing patterns to take the guesswork out of making your favorite drinks. This blender is designed for both family and individual use, with a 72-ounce total crushing pitcher for large batches and 3 sizes of single-serve cups, 18-ounce, 24-ounce, and 32-ounce, each with spout lids for on-the-go convenience. All parts are BPA-free and dishwasher-safe, making cleanup quick and easy. The set also includes a 75-recipe inspiration guide with smoothies, frozen drinks, sauces, and more, helping you explore new and creative blends.